My best friend is Ali. He is my classmate and neighbor. We have known each other since childhood. Ali is a kind and friendly boy. He always helps me with my studies. We share many things and enjoy each other's company. Ali has a bright smile. He is tall and has black hair. He loves to play cricket. Every evening, we go to the park to play. We play together for hours. Sometimes, we play with other friends too. Playing cricket with Ali is always fun. In school, Ali is very smart. He gets good grades in all subjects. He helps me with math, which is my favorite subject. Whenever I have problems in my homework, I ask Ali for help. He explains everything clearly, and I understand easily. Ali loves to read books. He has a big collection of storybooks. Sometimes, we sit together and read stories. I enjoy listening to his stories because he tells them in an exciting way. Reading with Ali makes me happy. During weekends, we like to watch movies together. We have a lot of fun watching action and comedy films. We laugh a lot and enjoy our time. Ali is not just my friend, he is like a brother to me. We share secrets and dreams. I am grateful to have such a wonderful friend. I always support him, and he supports me too. In conclusion, Ali is my best friend. I cherish our friendship. I hope we will always be friends forever. Friends are important in life, and I am lucky to have Ali by my side.